Good thing nilagay na nila to sa yung pouch, nilagay na nila kaagad kasi yung iba kasi is naka-separate yung pouch at saka yung bottle. And we have 49. Hey guys, it's me Ylarn again and you are still watching on my YouTube channel. Sana guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Yes, it's been 1 month na hindi tayo nagkasama-sama. Wala po tayong upload kasi medyo naging busy po tayo ng konti. But for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng unboxing video. So ayun. So yun guys, I ordered Aficionado products from Shopee and recently dumating na siya. So, samahan nyo ako, mag-unbox tayo. Tara! So, ayun nga guys, ito na yung ating parcel mula sa GNT. Ayan, so ayun nga guys, so balak ko umorder kasi ako ng different Aficionado Fs. Different number, and then yun yung gagawin natin ng review later on. So, eto na siya. Actually, mga ilang days na to, pero wala lang akong time the other day. So, since holiday today, ayan na guys. Charan! So, ito na yung ating products. Actually, mga more than 10 ata to in order. Mga 12 guys. Ayan. So, ito, well packed naman siya since ito nga is babasagin. Ayan. Tapos, so ito na. Actually, kapag nag-order naman ako ng Aficionado product, maganda naman yung packaging, maayos naman. Talagang ine-ensure din nila na walang mababasa, ganon. Tapos of course, with all the sticker. Ayan. Charan! Here, okay, meron tayong 47 which is gagawan natin ng review later on pag nagkaroon ulit tayo ng madaming time. 36 J12. And then, here's another one. Set siya ng 3. Bali, sinamantala ko na din guys kasi itong mga to is nagkaroon siya ng sale sa Shopee. So, ayun. Since magre-review nga ako ng product, so why not grab the chance, no? Para makatipid tayo. And, ayun guys, if you wanna support me, of course, just keep on watching my other videos. At saka, wag nyo na pong i-skip yung ads para may pambayad tayo nito. And then, we have 48. Madami to guys, iba-ibang number. Kasi, and then of course, my favorite, 10. Favorite talaga. Favorite. Okay. We have 5 also. So, madami-daming reviews yan. Good thing nilagay na nila to sa yung pouch, nilagay na nila kaagad. Kasi Yung iba kasi is naka-separate yung pouch at saka yung bottle. And we have 49. We have 18. We have 52. So after ma-review ko to guys, so swerte yung pambibigyan ko nito. Yun nga lang, medyo of course, bawas na siya ng konti pag binigay ko. Pero okay lang yun, no? Ayaw pa ba sila? And then, here. 57. So ayan guys, kung meron kayong F number na gusto nyong, or na binabalak nyong bilhin later on, abangan nyo po yung ating reaction or product review nitong mga to. So we have 51. And last, we have 42. Ayan. So ayan guys, bali ito lahat yung ating nabili na Aficionado products from Shopee. So ayun, watch out kasi gagawa tayo ng product review each number. So ayun guys, I think that's all for now. Ayan. Huwag nyo lang pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga product reviews na ipopost natin later on. And lastly, of course, share nyo na din tong video na to your friends. And of course, do not forget to like and subscribe. So ayun guys, that's all for now. This has been Ylarn saying bye-bye everyone and Merry Christmas!